I'm sitting here today with Dustin, and Dustin, you're in from Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan, and I treated you almost 2 years ago, and you were suffering from post-whiplash syndrome and Meniere's disease, which is a form of vertigo or dizziness from whiplash. And we treated you with bone marrow and adipose-derived stem cells. We did a lot of injections around your neck. We did a epidural injection and around your facets. And please tell me what you were like before we did the treatment, and then how you've been these last couple of years.
All right. So before the treatment, I had symptoms for probably about 3 years, and it went kind of undiagnosed, and then finally a diagnosis of Meniere's. So it would be the fear every day of, not knowing if I was going to have vertigo, if it was going to be a drop attack, the severity of it, how long it would last. Basically, my life deteriorated in a way. I couldn't be as active as I wanted to be. I was scared if I moved my head too quickly, it would cause an attack. If I laid on my one side, it would just make the whole room spin. I had to actually lay in certain positions. I couldn't live my normal life. So I guess that went on until I thought that there was basically no hope, no cure for it. So obviously you get a little bit of depression mixed in there. Being at that time, 30s, early 30s, you think, well, this is the way my life's going to be, and I have no other options. So then when I heard about the option of stem cells, obviously it got me interested, and I came to Utah, had the stem cells done, and within a matter of days, probably 2-3 days, I could tell the difference. And what an amazing feeling it was to be feeling like I was 20 again almost. Like I had my life back. I could finally, play with my kids again and not worry about Dad's gonna be sick, so he can't do this and he can't do that. And those are some of the hardest things, I guess, is not being able to enjoy life with my kids. So basically, stem cells gave me my life back.
That's great.
And then I guess within a year and a bit, maybe I took for granted what I had back, and maybe should have been a little bit more careful, and had an incident that happened on a ladder and ended up with whiplash again, and started with the symptoms and stuff. So now I know that there is something that can help my symptoms, and so that's why I'm back here, to ensure that I don't get to the point I was before. And
all right. Yeah, let's see if we can knock it out this time for 3 years.
Oh, for sure. And definitely.
No more falling off ladders, please.
Yeah.
All right, great. I'm thrilled for you, Dustin. That's great. If you had to pick a percentage overall improved before you fell off the ladder, what percentage would you say you had?
I would say for the whole time from when I had the stem cell treatment until then, I was 100%.
Oh, that's great.
I didn't have any symptoms. I had zero neck pain.
That's great.
Before I couldn't even turn my head more than this. I have all this movement still. It's just I don't want it to get to the point that it was before.
Sure.
So.
That's terrific. I'm thrilled for you. All right, let's see what we can do.
Perfect.
Okay.